اسم من ویلیام ثورنبری است و در سال گذشته با شورای آمریکایی در تاجیکستان درس خوندم. I was motivated to start studying Persian because I wanted to get a better understanding on politics in the Middle East. I kind of wanted to better understand Iran, and then in addition to that piece, the Persian-speaking world has a really interesting and vibrant culture. You're in classes for 4 hours a day, and I found, the teachers are great and they really push you both from the perspective of learning a language, but also just from a perspective of kind of opening your worldview, challenging your perspective, and I found that to be something that was really valuable from my time in Tajikistan. It's kind of opened up a new level of understanding, because once you have an understanding of another language, you can deal with different sources and sort of gain a different viewpoint and a different window into that country. That's something that kind of in the job market sets yourself apart. It's something that they appreciate because it shows that you probably are going to have the ability to work interculturally. I try to just stay engaged however I can with Persian language media, whether it's reading the news, watching TV, listening to podcasts. I think that the most important thing is just being able to develop sustainable habits that you want to keep up, because for learning a language, it's kind of a long, frustrating process, and I think consistency is really the only way that you're going to get there. I absolutely would recommend the ERLP program in Tajikistan to a friend or colleague. It's something really unique and that you can't get elsewhere for a student of Persian.